If you've been waiting for the spiritual successor to the legendary Nikon D500, the camera that defined professional crop sensor performance for an entire generation of photographers, then this is the moment when anticipation starts to feel very real. For years, rumors about a high-end Nikon DX mirrorless camera have surfaced and disappeared, but the conversation surrounding the Nikon Z90 has only grown louder. Across professional photography communities, wildlife forums, and sports photography groups, one question continues to dominate discussions. When will Nikon finally deliver a true flagship APS-C mirrorless camera capable of carrying the legacy of the D500 into the modern era? The answer may be closer than many expected. The D500 earned its reputation through reliability, speed, durability, and autofocus performance that allowed photographers to capture moments others would miss entirely. It became the trusted companion of wildlife shooters tracking birds in flight, sports photographers working under pressure, and aviation enthusiasts chasing fast-moving aircraft across unpredictable skies. Despite Nikon's impressive advances in full-frame mirrorless technology with cameras like the Z8 and Z9, many photographers have continued waiting for a dedicated professional DX body that combines cutting-edge technology with the reach advantages of the APS-C format. That is where the Nikon Z90 enters the conversation. According to multiple industry reports, supply chain leaks, and sightings of prototype testing units, Nikon appears to be developing a camera positioned well above the Z50 series while remaining more affordable and compact than its flagship full-frame models. The strategy makes perfect sense. Not every professional photographer needs a massive full-frame body or wants to invest in the premium prices associated with flagship cameras. Many simply need exceptional speed, intelligent autofocus, and additional reach without compromise. The biggest discussion surrounding the Z90 revolves around its sensor. Current rumors suggest a 33-megapixel APS-C sensor, a resolution that strikes an ideal balance between detail and performance. Wildlife photographers frequently crop heavily to frame distant subjects, and a higher resolution sensor provides the flexibility to do so while maintaining image quality suitable for publication and large prints. At the same time, the sensor must remain fast enough to handle demanding burst shooting situations where every fraction of a second matters. The most exciting possibility is the potential use of a stacked CMOS design. If Nikon incorporates stacked sensor technology similar to what powers the Z8 and Z9, the implications would be enormous. Faster readout speeds would dramatically reduce rolling shutter effects during electronic shutter shooting, allowing photographers to capture action silently without sacrificing image integrity. For sports photographers working in quiet environments or wildlife shooters attempting not to disturb animals, silent shooting can be the difference between getting the shot and missing it completely. Autofocus performance may ultimately become the feature that defines the Z90's reputation. Nikon's EXPEED 7 processor transformed expectations with the Z8 and Z9, introducing AI-driven subject detection and tracking capabilities that rival or surpass anything else on the market. Reports suggest the Z90 could inherit much of this technology, bringing advanced recognition for people, birds, animals, vehicles, and aircraft into the DX category. Pairing that autofocus system with a 1.5x crop factor effectively extends the reach of every telephoto lens in a photographer's bag. A 400 lens suddenly delivers the field of view equivalent of a 600 lens without additional weight or cost. The physical design of the camera is expected to reflect its professional ambitions. Magnesium alloy construction and comprehensive weather sealing would position the Z90 as a true workhorse capable of operating in rain, dust, freezing temperatures, and demanding outdoor environments. Professional photographers cannot afford equipment failures in the middle of assignments, and Nikon has historically built its higher-end cameras to withstand years of punishment. With rumors pointing toward a body weight of approximately 600 grams, the Z90 could offer the perfect balance between portability and durability. Video capabilities represent another area where expectations are extremely high. Hybrid creators increasingly require cameras that excel in both photography and filmmaking, and Nikon understands the importance of this market segment. Industry speculation points toward uncropped 4K 60 frames per second recording, likely oversampled from the full sensor width for improved detail and reduced noise. Some reports go even further, suggesting internal RAW recording options that would dramatically elevate the camera's appeal among independent filmmakers and content creators. Burst shooting performance will also play a critical role in determining whether the Z90 deserves the D500 legacy. Rumors suggest mechanical shutter speeds of around 15 frames per second, with electronic shutter modes potentially reaching far higher numbers. Such speeds allow photographers to capture the exact instant a bird spreads its wings, a race car crosses the finish line, or an athlete celebrates victory. Photography at this level is often about fractions of a second, and the ability to freeze those moments consistently separates professional tools from consumer products. Lens support is another reason for optimism. Nikon's Z-mount system has already proven itself capable of exceptional optical quality, and the company continues expanding both full-frame and DX-specific lens options. A professional DX body, backed by an increasingly mature lens ecosystem, signals long-term commitment to the format rather than a temporary experiment. Photographers investing in the system want confidence that their lenses and accessories will remain relevant for years to come. Competition will undoubtedly be fierce. The Fujifilm X-H2S has established itself as a powerful APS-C flagship, while Sony's A6700 delivers impressive autofocus and compact dimensions. Nikon cannot simply match these competitors. It must offer something distinct. That advantage may come through Nikon's renowned ergonomics, intuitive controls, dependable reliability, and color science that many photographers have trusted throughout their careers. The Nikon Z90 represents more than another camera launch. It symbolizes the return of professional crop sensor photography as a serious category in the mirrorless era. It challenges the assumption that full frame is the only path to professional results and reminds photographers that the best camera is always the one designed specifically for their needs. Whether you are a wildlife specialist seeking additional reach, a sports photographer demanding speed, or a hybrid creator balancing stills and video, the Z90 could become one of the most important camera releases Nikon has produced in years. If the rumored specifications become reality, this camera will not simply continue the D500 legacy. It may redefine what photographers expect from the APS-C format for the next decade.